So we're gonna pick lime for our cooking because we're gonna use lime for our soup. Chicken soup. Yeah, chicken coconut soup. Yeah. Actually, we can pick from the inside and we'll pick from here as we walk here. Chicken soup is you, isn't it?
Yeah.
And beef salad, you too. We're gonna add lime juice in our beef salad.
Yeah.
So I would like you to pick one each and put in your basket, please.
Not too small, no?
Yeah, that's good.
There's a really big one if you can reach.
If you can reach.
Yes! Oh, wow.
Oh, come here, we pick some green mango. I like to make some mango salad for you. Even if you don't choose that, you make extra for the messy. We do some adventure trekking. See, this one, it look really good. It's gonna be very big and then it will be ripe.
So that's
Now-
a green mango.
Green mango is unripe mango before ripe. This is same thing, but from green to yellow.
Right.
So when it's sweet like this, yellow, we use for make like mango shake, mango chutney, or eat with sweet sticky rice.
Yeah.
Can you pick one? We're gonna make salad. Yeah.
Oh, that's good that you use them when they're...
Green, yeah.
Yeah.
When same we use a lot for like spicy salad or add in
Do I need
like
one
this
as well, or do we not?
yes, yeah, green. Yeah, the color is brown. We throw with the seed, with the rice seed with the skin on, and then we use a lot of water, and we grow. This is about a month and a half. This one, and then now it's ready. You're gonna pull up, and then by hand we dip in the soft soil over there.
In the water
The
there.
water, it will take another 3 months to get the right, and the color from green, it will turn yellow or golden.
How tall is it, Greg?
How tall? This one, it will be even taller than you. And after three months, right, like in that, from if it grow now, it will be about winter time in Thailand, which is about like December. But our winter is your summer,
No.
which is not very cold. It's very warm for you.
December.
Oh, yeah.
No,
But
we,
they have
com-
this
we compare
summer
the
heat.
temperature, the
Yeah.
heat. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Dan, what are you cooking now?
Chicken in coconut milk.
It look good. Nice. So now onion mushroom in, no?
Yeah.
Wow, smell good. Gentle. And now, what are you cooking?
Vegetable and tofu soup.
Look good. So, cabbage in. Both are working hard, concentrate.